In high school, I hope to discover more about what I can do with my future,
where I want to go with my future, what I want to do when I'm older.
I hope to discover in high school more options,
a good basketball program and the university level courses.
An opportunity to learn with IB classes.
The Fine Arts program.
Interact Club, the Rotary Club.
I just want to see more choices out there.
Learn more than I know now.
More about myself.
I'm hoping to find in high school some higher academic, something for my future.
I chose to come to ESSMY for high school because it was a bilingual high school and the academic results were really good.
We get to do a lot of the programs that other schools do, yet we get to do them at a smaller size.
It's great connection with our peers, with our students, and then as well with our teachers. We just come very close with them, and it's a really good learning environment.
And if you're struggling, you really have that one-on-one connection with the teachers. The learning is very personalized.
Going to ESSMY taught me a lot, about what I like.
I discovered my love of science.
I discovered that I wanted to go into education.
Psychology.
Business management.
It really showed me how much I loved being outside, working outside.
For kids considering it, I'd say do it. You get a lot of hands-on with the teachers because it's small class sizes, so if you have questions, they're always there for you.
It's really nice to know your teachers on that personal level.
What you learn here will last you a lifetime.
Choosing SACRD was a really good decision for me.
SACRD is the major Catholic high school of St. Albert.
I discovered my faith here at SACRD.
This past year, I helped direct a musical theater show, which was High School Musical. That was a ton of fun.
Last year, one of the biggest experiences for me was going on a mission trip to New Orleans to build houses and help rebuild after the hurricane.
They had a live stream of an open heart surgery that we watched, and that was super cool because you actually got to see what surgeons do and what it's like.
SACRD is just this community of incredible people and opportunities and programs for everybody.
They really help you discover your interests and discover which areas you would like to pursue in the future.
I have had an overwhelmingly positive experience at SACRD.
What makes St. Gabriel a great school is the fact that it combines the best elements of homeschooling with the best elements of a public school.
The cost, it's very cost competitive with other agencies that will offer upgrading for adult students.
I enjoyed it because I was the type of student who didn't enjoy sitting in class all day because I found it very slow.
If you find kind of work easy, you could just get through it, it's really easy. But if you kind of struggle more, they're really flexible. I can come to school and ask the teacher whenever I am free.
Teachers here, they're just amazing. And the support, and they tell you can do it and they make you believe that you can do it.
MCHS really has all the ingredients that you need for success.
I think grade 11, I really got into biological sciences. I really enjoyed learning all the different systems and all the different parts of the body, and I was like, this is something I want to do.
I really like MCHS because they offer some really good sports programs.
Every, big event like Halloween or Christmas, they always try to get everybody participating in these really fun activities that just gets everyone involved.
They have the MCTV. It's basically a live television studio.
There's groups offered like Interact, which I'm involved in, and it helps within the community, which again, really brings us close together within a school.
I think this high school was a great choice for me. I was really able to participate in everything that I wanted to.
Give you so many different opportunities that other schools might not.
Easy to find your find where you fit in, and there's a lot of people that want to be a part of your group and want to be your friend and want to help you.
From like the first month that I was here, it's just been fun.